Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change or update your full name inside Cash App. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone and log into your account. Next, tap your profile icon at the top right corner. At the top of your profile page, you will see your current full name and Cashtag underneath it. Tap Edit Profile to make changes. To update your full name, tap Full Name. Make sure to enter your real name or name everyone will recognize to avoid confusion when sending or receiving money. Edit your name as needed, then tap to save. Your full display name will update immediately. You can tap Preview on the edited profile page to see how it looks to others. You have successfully updated your full name on Cash App. That's for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.